Hello everyone. Let's see if I can remember how to do a cow example. So cow is clone on right. I read about it first, or I first studied it in Rust in a Month of Lunches, the book by Dave McLeod, which is a really good book. So function, I'm going to write a function which is going to return a cow. Cow is clone on right. So we're going to do process, call it function process. Passing an input, which is gonna be a string slice, and it's going to return. No, I've just used stood borrow cow, so it's going to return a cow, and the type will be a str, lowercase str. Right. So this is going to be a conditional example. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say if input dot contains if it contains a space character, then it's going to return a cow. You have to wrap what you're working with cow. So I think this is a new cow. So cow. So I need to do cow owned. Yeah. So owned, and then I pass in input. I need to modify it, don't I? So I'm going to modify it. So I'm going to do let input equal input dot replace from space to I'll do an underscore. Right, now we've got a warning because we haven't got the else. So do the else. So the reason why that's owned is because it's actually going to be a new cow. Then else we do cow borrowed input. Is that right? Yeah, I think so. So this allows you to pass in either a string slice or a string. So we test it once. We'll do let original or hello world, and then we'll do let result equal process. How about that? Macros kicking in. Process original, which is a string slice. Okay. And it's just complaining that I'm not using it. So that's right. So we're going to process it, and what it should do is replace the space with an underscore. And you notice how in the grey it's returning a cow. Hello underscore world. But with that same function, we do let orig string call hello world, do toString. So do you see we were passing in a string slice up here, and now we're passing in a string. So then we can do let result 2 equal process. That macro, I need to sort that. Sorry about that. Process. And we need to pass the original string. Consider borrowing on the heap. Okay, so then we print it, result 2. Okay, that's all our warning's gone. So as you notice, we're with online or currently line 6. It's got let original equal hello world with a space, and that's a string slice. That compiles. And then lower down, we've got let original string equal hello world to string. So you can pass in a string slice or a string, and both will compile. And you see, because the first example, it's actually modified it because it's put in the underscore. The second example, it didn't modify because there wasn't that space character between the hello and the world. And again, if that wasn't a string, it would be a string slice, and it also works that way. And you see, I could, if I'd passed in, I'd done that as a toString there. When you do it, because that's a string, it's on the heap, so then you need to pass a reference to it. There we go. So that's cow from memory. It's not the sort of thing you're probably going to use very often, but if you're writing a library and you want to allow the user a bit more flexibility about what they're passing in, or yeah, it's probably not something you use a lot, but it's good to know about it, and you'll see it in other people's code as well. So I've not really used it very often, but yeah, I'm still learning Rust as per the channel name. So if you like these videos, thumbs up, subscribe, and all the usual stuff, because otherwise, you know, the algorithms and all that. So thanks for watching, and I'll be back soon with another video. Thanks.